Today's episode, we're exploring a simple but powerful method called the AIYING way, an 8-step map to help us work, learn, create, and decide clearly in this AI-driven world.
Yeah, Liam. I can do almost anything fast and convincingly now, but it can't decide what's actually worth doing. That's still on us. The AIYING way helps bring clarity before we jump in.
Right. Most people don't struggle because they can't work. It's because they start without clarity. This framework is about getting that clarity up front.
So step one is deciding what matters. Before starting, ask, what really matters here, and what's just noise? Like an engineering student prepping for exams, they found some topics rarely apply in real work, while a few fundamentals matter a lot.
Exactly. It's about discernment before action. Step 2 is deciding where to start. Big tasks can feel overwhelming, so ask, what's the smallest sensible starting point? Instead of learn machine learning, start with understand what a data set is. It makes the task manageable.
Step 3 is avoiding doing too much. I can generate endless plans, which can overwhelm. So ask, what's enough for now? Like focusing on 2 concepts today, not 20 tasks. It keeps progress steady and prevents burnout.
Step 4 is working without getting lost. Distractions pop up. New ideas, links, directions. Ask yourself, what was I trying to do before this distraction? It helps protect your focus.
Then, step 5 is knowing you're on track. Long hours don't guarantee progress. So ask, what does being on track look like here? For example, if you can explain something simply, that shows understanding.
Step 6 is a hidden superpower, deciding what to ignore. Ask, what can I safely ignore right now? Removing noise keeps you focused on what matters.
Near the end, perfectionism can creep in. Step 7 is finishing without overdoing. Ask, what's the natural stopping point? This helps avoid overwork and wasted time.
And finally, step 8 is reviewing what you've done. Most people move on without reflection, but asking what worked, what didn't, and what will I do differently next time builds a learning loop for continuous improvement.
So, to sum up, AI is a powerful tool that can do almost anything fast and structured, but it can't decide what's worth doing. The AIYING way is about using our human judgment to guide AI-powered work.
Starting with clarity about what matters and where to start, managing attention, avoiding overload, knowing when to stop, and reflecting afterward. That's how we work effectively in the AI age.
And the engineering student example really brings it home, showing how these steps apply in real life. Hopefully, listeners can see how to use this framework in their own work or learning.
Absolutely. It's practical, clear, and helps us keep control in a world full of AI possibilities.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope this gives you a fresh way to think about working with AI, with clarity and purpose.